Hello, my name is Park 성준. I am 12 years old. I live in 신철원. I will introduce the story Town Workers. I live in 신사동. There are many town workers here. They make this a nice place to live. Mr. Shin is a police officer. He keeps us safe. Mrs. Lee is a librarian. She helps me to find books. Mr. Kim is a mail carrier. He delivers mail every day. Mrs. Park is a nurse. She cares for sick people. Aunt Carol is a teacher. She teaches English. Uncle Jim is a firefighter. He puts out fires. Town workers help people. I want to help people too. I want to be a firefighter someday. Thank you for listening to my story.